Hi everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather and welcome back to my channel. I took a little break there after the 12 cookies of Christmas because wow, I was tired, but I'm back and we're gonna jump right in with a fantastic recipe that fits into that get it together and go, you know, the 30 minutes or less. Oh my goodness, we're gonna do egg roll in a bowl. What I love about this is it's also carb friendly and gluten free. So if you're both of those things, or maybe you're not, but if you're both of those things, and is it dairy free? Oh my crackers. It is dairy free too. So dairy free, gluten free, carb free. What else free could it be? I don't know. It's all the frees. Is it nut free? I think so. Yeah. I think so. So it's like a free meal, like calorie free. I don't know. You're going to love it. It's delicious. And I hope you're going to enjoy making it. Okay, I'm crazy. All right, let's go. All right, start your timers. This is gonna take 30 minutes or less. So what you wanna do is go ahead and put your oil in your skillet and turn on your power to medium high. Now, you can use any kind of oil that you want. You just need about 1 tablespoon. I've used avocado oil before. I'm just gonna use olive today. And into this pan right away, we're gonna get our garlic and all of our ginger. And we're only gonna cook this by itself for about 30 seconds. Once you smell it all fragrant, we're gonna put our meat inside. Like I mentioned, I'm gonna use ground turkey. I have done this with ground beef and ground pork. All are delicious. And we're just gonna brown that up. All right, while that's going, if you have not already cut up your onion, do it now. Also, if you haven't done your cabbage yet, you can also do it now, but I bought the 3-colored deli coleslaw, which, you know, usually you don't put the purple cabbage in it, but it works fantastic and it's already measured out for me. I'm just gonna put in this whole bag. Now, if you're just looking for an easy egg roll you can actually make, there's bonus at the end of this video, okay? So this is for all of us that are supposed to eat it like this, but I'm gonna make 1 egg roll at the end just to show you that this can also be done with the non-calorie conscious, and I'm gonna do it in the air fryer. All right, once you see that almost all the way browned, go ahead and get your sesame oil ready. I'm gonna eyeball it because that's the way I roll. And we're gonna give that a good mix. Next, we're gonna add all of the onions. In goes your cabbage and carrot. If you're doing them separately, just add them at the same time. But I love this because that's how much I need. It is approximately 14 ounces of cabbage and carrot. Now, you might want to add some extra carrot in there just for color or whatever, but this makes it so easy. You just slap it in. All right, mix that well. Once it's mixed, we're gonna add all of our soy sauce, and optionally, but you really need it, add your sriracha. And we're gonna give that a good mix. Now the sriracha, yes, it's hot, but in all of this, just 1 tablespoon of sriracha, it just gives it the right amount of spice. Don't be afraid of it. I'm a wimp. You guys know I'm a wimp, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha in this whole thing is excellent. Now, we're just gonna let that cook until the cabbage is soft. I'm gonna get out my bowl because dinner is almost done. If you are wanting to make this actual egg rolls and not just egg roll in a bowl, go ahead and start preheating your air fryer to 400 degrees. Also, Make sure you have some salt nearby. Put a little bit of salt, probably like half a teaspoon or so. Put that in there. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's done. Let me get something to taste it. You just are tasting for salt, spice, and the softness of the cabbage. Yes. Oh my goodness, that's good. And just like that, in less than 10 minutes, you have dinner done. And to serve it, we're just gonna dump it right into a bowl, depending on, you know, who you're serving, how much you want. There we go. We are going to sprinkle, because I like it, with some bean sprouts. Sprinkle with some green onions. Then you will sprinkle with, and there you have it. Dinner is ready in just over 10 minutes. Super easy, super delicious, super customizable. Look at that. Okay. So for those of you still around and you're like, hey, I want to make a real egg roll, at least for me, do it in your air fryer. Set your air fryer for 400. Okay, you're gonna need some oil, a brush, and I'll make two. I'll make two of these because I feel like I want to eat two of them. So, warm mixed. Make sure the mix is warm, and we're gonna put about 1/4 of a cup into the center. Give or take, obviously you don't have to be exact. And then we are going to sprinkle in a couple of our bean sprouts. That's of course optional. A couple of our green onions. That's a lot of green onions, but that's fine. Now, take your little bit of oil. You can also use water at this point, but we're gonna take a little bit of oil and we are going to paint it across the edge. And then we're gonna wrap it up like an egg roll. So wrap it in. We're gonna tuck this inward like so. Make sure this gets here. Tuck this one, make sure that bean sprout goes away. Tuck that in there. Roll, 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 and stick together. Look at that. Got a cute little egg roll. We're gonna set it right there and we'll do the next one. This is a great recipe, like doing egg rolls. If you have a appetizer or something you need to bring somewhere, literally you can have your egg rolls done in seconds. And it just takes a little bit of time in the air fryer, and you will have to turn them. You don't have to, but I turn mine so that they can get crispy all over. But here we go. We're gonna take this, do the same thing we did for the other one. Tuck, stick, tuck, stick, and roll. Perfect. I'm gonna put them on the tray like this because of the way that my air fryer works. Once you've done it a couple times, by the way, I'm brushing lightly oil over the top. Not a lot of oil. One dip of oil into your brush is probably fine for both of them. One thing you want to know, don't put too much oil. Too much oil will make it a little bit soggy and hard to cook, but you want just enough and cover it in all the places. Since I've made these before in my air fryer, I know that I need to rotate them and how they need to cook and that kind of stuff. So if your air fryer cooks super evenly, then you might not have to rotate them, but my air fryer tends to, in fact, I put it the wrong way, tends to cook real hot on this side. So when I put them in, I'm gonna take them out about halfway and turn them around. Now these will take 15 minutes, so give yourself some time and let's get them in. All right, just under 15 minutes, just had to turn the tray once. Check out these beautiful egg rolls. Yeah, you can do egg rolls from scratch in your air fryer with your egg roll in a bowl recipe. So then in technically 30 minutes, you too can have egg rolls, or in 10, you can have egg rolls in a bowl. Actually, it was under 30 minutes because this was only 15 and this was only 10. So math says 25 minutes. It's fine. So let's see how crispy they are. Ready? Can you hear this? Yeah, they're super crispy and they're super delicious, but they're super hot. They just came out. So I'm gonna set those off to the side for a second and I'm going to, it's a little bit cold now, but that's okay. Oh no, there's still some steam coming up. We're gonna taste this and I'm gonna show you how freaking delicious it is. Oh my goodness. Easy, delicious, complex, 10-minute meal. You guys, absolute win. Now, because I know you're done with this video, I'm gonna break into one of these and try not to burn myself. I did get some chili sauce to dip it in because I like my chili sauce with my egg rolls, but I wanted you to hear the crunchiness of it. Ready? Air fried egg roll. That's a bonus for those of you that stayed. Oh. If you're watching, if you're calorie counting, definitely go with the egg roll in a bowl. If you're not, so good. Hot. Oh, that's really hot. All right, you guys. Well, if you enjoyed that video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I do videos, you know, whenever I can get around to it. It's been a little less lately, but I'm hoping to get back to it. And I'm hoping for some more easy, anybody can do it. One pot is so amazing. Weeknight meals, really cheap. So if you want to join me on some adventures, please subscribe and I'll see you on the next adventure. I love it.